Hand planers are a must for every woodworking application, as it allows you to level, plane, and smoothen the surface of any wood or any rough lumber which are too large to fit into a standard planing machine. Not only that, these tools reduce the working time while producing some high-quality work. This is why today we'll show you the 7 best electric hand planers that are currently available on the market. That being said, let's dive into it.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Plane away splinters and misshapen edges with the WEN 6530 Electric Hand Planer, a woodworking tool for fixing stubborn doors and reshaping post edges. Its 6-amp motor can deliver 34,000 cuts per minute so that you can align and smooth any uneven boards efficiently. With the help of its decent cutting width and maximum depth, you can prepare any reclaimed wood back into perfectly usable boards. Above that, flattening sharp post corners will also be as easy as you can imagine, since its base plate shoe with a V-shaped groove gets the job done. Comes with a dust bag, a rabbiting guide, a kickstand, and a parallel fence bracket, all combined to provide an amazing user experience. So, whether you are a professional woodworker or a hobbyist, you need the WEN Electric Hand Planer to perform a range of woodworking tasks. Designed to make difficult tasks easier, the CRAFTSMAN CME W300 is an incredible electric hand planer that delivers better planer control and multiple depth settings in its class. It weighed approximately 7.82 pounds and comes with an 11.5-inch cast aluminum base plate to offer enough contact with the surface of your content as you pass across it. Like the WEN, it is also equipped with a 6-amp electric motor, and under no-load conditions, this motor can create a maximum of 16,500 rotations per minute. It uses a control knob that has 10 positive stops for quick changes in the front shoe elevation to provide better finish quality every time. The most amazing part is, your workstation will always remain clean, as this woodworking tool has a dual-side dust extractor, delivering flexibility and cleaning efficiency. All in all, with a fair price and versatile positive stops, the CRAFTSMAN CME W300 provides a decent performance among the electric hand planers class. Smoothing uneven and irregular hardwoods is not an easy job, but with the help of DEWALT D26676 hand planer, you can quickly finish and straight edges of your application. You can achieve a fine finish to the hardest of woods because it's packed with a 5.5-amp motor, and its 3 1/4-inch planer is specially built for precise cutting and edging. This hand planer has an ergonomically designed handle that provides better comfort to reduce fatigue. Its precision machine on both the front and back side ensures parallelism of cut and edge chamfering. At the same time, its kickstand allows users to rest the planer on the work surface without gouging the material. Above all, from the stubborn woods to hardwoods, the DEWALT hand planer will provide great comfort and less user fatigue to ensure precise crafting. Plane every door edges easily and quickly with the Bosch PL1632 hand planer, a fantastic woodworking tool that can deliver better performance than its old cousins. Anyone can cut and plane any type of wood effectively, since it has a 6.5-amp powerful motor that spins the cutter head at a rate of 16,500 RPM. And dual mount fence and protective shield blends together to help you plane door edges easily and smoothly. Beyond that, its metric scale depth adjustment knob makes setting up depth adjustment super easy, while its soft grip handle is optimally angled to ease the forward motion of the tool. Finally, as one of the best power tool producing companies out there, Bosch really put a lot of thought into making this PL1632 electric hand planer. Meet the Ryobi HPL 52K, an electric hand planer that you can use to straighten your wood piece with no hassle. Coming in at only 3.25 pounds, it also has the options and adjustability to back it up. Adjusting up to 1 by 8 inches in 1 by 96 inch increments, this tool has enough options to do most jobs that don't require extreme precision. The planer can deliver 16,500 RPM by its 6-amp high-power motor, while its rubber over-mold grip gives a bit of an edge, increasing friction and reducing the chances of a slip in wet or hot environments. More importantly, a safety lock button and kickstand make this a very safe tool to work with. Attached with a 6-foot cord, the Ryobi electric hand planer is a good tool in the woodworking section. While all the added features, you can get Ryobi's hand planer for under $80 as it allows you to tackle a variety of woodworking projects with maximum precision. Shaving off and smoothing rough lumber becomes easy with the PC60THP from Porter Cable, since its robust motor can produce powerful rotation like its big brothers. It's ideal for smooth material removal, since the tool is equipped with a 6-amp motor, which can produce a no-load speed of 16,500 RPM revolutions per minute. Impressive, right? Similar to the CRAFTSMAN W300, it also features 10-position rubber overmold depth knob, providing better control and easy adjustment. Its 3 chamfering grooves come in handy for chamfering edges, including door edges. Besides, the dual dust extraction port allows you to extract dust on either side of the tool while ensuring a net and clean workstation. To sum things up, if you're looking for an affordable hand planer for yourself, then look no further. The Porter Cable PC60THP is here to become a handy companion. Coming to the final product, we have got the Makita XPK01Z. It's the overall best hand planer on our list and earned the top ranking for its added features. This portable yet cordless tool can provide 18 volts of power to the cutter head once it's fully charged. Plus, it can generate up to 14,000 RPM, which is acceptable as it's wireless. It may not perform well when planing rough surfaces, but it uses a configuration that cuts 3.25 inches across and is great for smooth woods. From head to bottom, the manufacturer engineered this tool for ultimate balance. Its ergonomic handle with cushion provides a comfy grip at every challenging task. Overall, considering all its helpful specs and features, the XPK01Z from Makita can handle any wood surface without bogging down. So, that was our list of the 7 best electric hand planers, just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this one on your feed.